Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So this is how we do it. Whatever is the website, you can put it like this and click OK. Alright now, what is the primary location of this particular organization? So if you are creating the first organization, if you're creating the top level organization, then your primary location would be what? The company headquarters typically, right? Because that is the first location that has to be created. Your company headquarters. So here I will use an existing one, that is Chicago. I will enter Chicago and I will search for it. And I will. There's so many Chicagos people have created. I will use this particular Chicago. That is going to be my primary location. Now I have to choose a staffing model. We will talk about staffing models next week. But today I'm just going to use job management. Alright, job. I will just use job management as my staffing model. And you can define the roles. If you already know, like, who is going to be the manager, who is going to be the owner of this, you can define that straight away. Alright. But I will just leave it. There are so many roles that people have created which were just not necessary. Anyway, so we will just leave it, and we will add one role. Let's say I will add a role for manager. Okay. I will add a role for manager. I'll search for it. Just let me check once if this is a right manager. People have been practicing too much. It seems they have created a lot of unnecessary objects. Okay. Let me use the first one itself. Okay. So this manager, and I am assigning this to Logan McName. Okay. So you see I can search for this worker role of manager. And then I am assigning it to Logan McName. Right. Click OK to save this. Assigned to some roles that people have created. Just give me 1 second. Alright. Let me do this. Let me just cancel this out. And let me quickly create it one more time. Okay. I'll just cancel this out. I'll just copy the name and I will cancel this. And I will start again. Okay. So the task again, let's start. So it is, create supervisory organization. It is right here I can use it. It will prompt me for the reorganization. Okay. Okay, so we will use we work. And okay. I'll quickly choose the options. The name I already have. The code I put it as 1001 include code in the name subtype I chose as department. Visibility was everyone. Primary location was Chicago. Okay. And then I had chosen job management and in the assigned roles. I will assign a new role. Okay, so add a role. You will add the click on this, plus I can add row at the top search for manager. Alright. Manager. And I will assign H2. It says, you see, assigned to is Logan McNeil. OK. Click on OK to save the organization OK. And what is the problem? There are so many managers. I mean a role as a manager. So is it the problem? Now, as you see, people have created some roles. And I mean, this is something to do with security. When we do security, we will talk about this, and we will have created some configurations which were not necessary or which weren't correctly done. So that is the problem that we are seeing. Let me try to get. Why is it getting applicable to us? Because they have created this roles as for everybody. I mean, that's the reason they did not do a good job. So unnecessarily they created this. And anyway, what can we say? I will try to get rid of some of these. But too many of them. C17. Oh, I think it is not because of. We have changed that location. Crime and location. It is not because of that we are getting this error. Location. No, we have changed it. It's a Chicago 2 new app. No. Did we? No, I'm not sure if we are using Chicago. It doesn't have to do anything with the location. As of now at least. Okay, yeah, I got rid of some of those stupid roles, and now it is. Okay. Right. So primary location is Chicago. So this is how our organization looks like. You see, this is the organization ID by default. What they has generated a supervisory organization reference ID. If you want to change that, you can. How to do it? You go to the related actions. And you go to integration IDs and edit reference ID. Again, related actions of the supervisory organization. Integration IDs. Edit reference ID. If you want to do that, you can. You see supervisory organization. I will keep it the same name as the name of the organization. So which is WW_X, YZ Motors? The same name as the name of the organization. Now, what that allows us to do is if we follow this naming convention, like where we set the organization ID or the reference ID as the same name as the organization ID. So if you want to do that, you can follow this convention. Diligently, it allows us to prevent duplicates. Right now, I cannot create another organization with the reference ID as WW_X, Y, Z Motors because the reference ID or this organization ID has to be unique. Alright,